Yeah, hi, my name is Steve Portnoy, and I typically don't do review videos or endorse products, but I've been a marketer for some time now, and I've been primarily doing SEO and had some good success. But if you have been in the SEO space, you know it takes time to get your clients results, and they don't always have a lot of patience to wait. So over the years, my partners and I have been running a lot of Facebook ads, generating leads for clients, but haven't had a lot of success turning it into a scalable business model. And let's face it, if you can't effectively scale your business, you're basically an employee for yourself. And if you're looking for financial freedom, well, it ain't going to happen being an employee, right? So I've bought a lot of courses over the years and grabbed some really good nuggets, but every course seems to have its holes, right? It's like they're missing that one thing to take you to the next level. So when I came across Chris Winters' FAM course, of course I had a lot of skepticism. You know, after a while you think you've just seen it all, right? But I did. I took the plunge, and I gotta say, I'm really glad I did. It's filled in the gaps that I've been missing for so long. Every detail is covered. So you're getting new clients, and those clients are generating leads on autopilot. The tactics and strategies that he teaches are brilliant. If you apply it, there's no magic bullet, right? If you apply it, you can't lose. So we're now averaging about 3 new clients per month, which is approximately about $4,500 in recurring revenue each month, part-time. So, you know, if you've been struggling not just to build a Facebook ad agency that everybody thinks it makes it look so easy, but actually making money online, this course is for you. I'm watching newbies in the group run ads for the first time, scheduling calls and getting clients. So anyone could do this. The Facebook group is a tight-knit community. Everybody supports one another, and Chris and his team are in there every day answering questions and cheering you on. So even if you're building this by yourself, you're definitely not alone. I'm only doing this video because I 100% endorse this product and believe it's totally solid. You can't go wrong. You just got to apply it, put the effort in, and you're going to have a lot of success. This will change your life. I guarantee it.